Okay, so this is the Bacchanal buffet. It's brunch. But I'll show you what we've got here before I get something to eat. But, not all breakfast concoctions. Sauces. You can see some sausage gravy being in my future. Biscuit. Breads. Oatmeal grits. Very large buffet. Kansas City style barbecue sauce. Got some little egg concoctions. Egg sandwich. So even at 9 something, there's quite a lot of lunch items, which is cool. I'll have a little of each. I decided to do this because I do have a room credit for some food. Lobster egg benedict. Too bad I don't like. I try some shrimp and grits though. That one sounds pretty good. Well, quite a few items. I imagine it's enormously more items at lunch, but this was cheaper and I was hungry. Anyway, a lot of seafood along here. So that's pretty cool. If there's anything else, we'll walk over here, kind of get a look at it. See what I have going on here. There's some more stuff here. There's a whole section of fresh fruit, whipped cream. Perhaps I could just have whipped cream for breakfast. That sounds tasty. You can make crepes. A lot of desserts around here. Candy. Excuse me, ma'am. Some more desserts around here. So again, pretty large. Lot of selection, I guess. But anyway, that's just a quick look at the Bacchanal buffet. We have sorbet. We might have to save a little room for that. It does look like to be quite a bit of good stuff. So I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to eat some of it and I'll let you know how it was. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.